Hello guys, today I'm bringing another exciting video about Nexus iOS related, and here is you can see my current version of Nexus OS is 9.21, and I am on to go the upgrade this version to 10.4.3.f. And if I want to update 10.4.3.f, so I have updated lots of path image like 9.3, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 9.2, 3, and 9.2. And after that, I am able to get updated 10.4.3 targeted releases. So uh, if I want to direct updated image 10.4.3.f. So today I will see you how to I am go to directly go to the update the version 10.4.3.f. In lieu of I want to escape this path, and this version I want to escape. I want to directly upgrade my targeted version. So let's just see how to upgrade it. So first, what you want to do, you need a load. You need to power off or your Nexus devices, or just a reload command from CLI. And after that, when it's reload, and type control plus C when the device is reloaded, and count to up. Please type the control C continuously. Sorry, continuously. And when you got the loader mode, this type of loader mode you will get after that. So after get this loader mode, you just type boot and your version Nexus iOS image name. Okay, right? I just like a demo that not like that, or sorry, 10 version I will go. So I just like a demo, just name, and this is the boot command, and this is the name of the iOS. I just delete it so you can understand better. iOS name, and after that you will do as a normal what you are doing. So is the very advantage things is that we don't need to download this version, this iOS image totally. You just download direct 10.4.3.f and update, and doing and upload it. You upload it in the your USB, and then do it as usual. Copy from pen drive to boot, and after that power off or reload your device and press Ctrl C continuously until load is come out. Okay, and after load is come out, type just the command boot and name of the iOS, and after click enter, and boot will doing as continuously the same process. So this is the very advantage iOS upgradation. Thank you.